Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and welcome to ladies and gentlemen. Introduction. My name is Andre Haseng, postgrad study Faculty of Public Health, Universitas Halluoleo. My presentation material stated surveillance of pneumonia disease prevalence coverage in Kendari City, Southeast Sulawesi, Indonesia. This research objective to know the description of pneumonia in Kendari City, Southeast Sulawesi. Introduction. Pneumonia is an infection that causes inflammation of the lobes in one or both lungs. In people with pneumonia, a collection of small lobes at the end of the respiratory tract in the lungs will become inflamed and filled with fluid or pus. As a result, the patients experience shortness of breath, coughing up, phlegm, fever, or chills. The population that is susceptible to pneumonia are children aged less than 5 years, then elderly over 65 years, and people who have healthy problems. Pneumonia affects about 450 million people every year. Based on Riskesdas data in 2018, the prevalence of pneumonia based on the diagnosis of health work was around 2%, while in 2013 it was 1.8%, based on the Ministry of Health data of 2014. The number of pneumonia sufferers in Indonesia in 2013 ranged from 23% until 27%, and deaths from pneumonia were 1.19% in 2019 in Indonesia. Pneumonia is the cause of death in their 120 children under 5 in Kendari City. Many factors contribute to the incidence of pneumonia, and there is no single intervention that can effectively prevent death and control. Method. Kendari City is the capital city of Southeast Sulawesi Province. It's geographically located in the southeastern part of Sulawesi Island. It surrounds Kendari by and consists for 11 sub-districts, 65 urban villages, and 15 health centers. The study used various data in Indonesia. The series data of 2017 to 2020 on pneumonia cases obtained from Kendari City Health Office. The result of the study show the prevalence of pneumonia increased every year from 2017 to 2020. It significantly increased in 2019 and then this rate in 2020. Figure 2. Data of finding case of severe pneumonia by gender in 2019-2020. The prevalence of finding severe pneumonia based on gender is mostly male, that is up to 67% and 33% in female. This prevalence has increased only in 2018, while the following years was gradually decreased until 2020. Figure 3. Pneumonia coverage data according to the number of visits by toddlers with severe cough at the Community Health Service Center. Pneumonia coverage database on visits by two toddlers to the Community Health Service Center in 2017 and 2018 demonstrated the increased number of visits happened to their community health service center has increased, namely Mokoau, Lepo-Lepo, and Benbenua. In 2019, the number of visits increased in Puatu, Lepo-Lepo, and Nambo. While in 2020, the highest visits were in Abeli, Nambo, and Puatu Community Health Service Center. Figure 4. So that the age of 4 to 5 years is a prone age range and the most exposed to pneumonia in 2019 from 2017 to 2019. The prevalence continued to increase and it decreased in 2020. Discussion. Previous study showed the prevalence of pneumonia is more common in developing countries. It attacks about 450 million people every year, including toddlers. Currently, Kendari City priority pneumonia controlling program for toddlers. The percentage of male pneumonia and severe pneumonia classification exhibits pneumonia in men up to 16.7 and 33 in women. Children under 5 are more likely to be infected with pneumonia. The most vulnerable age range of infection is 4 to 5 years old by 67%. Early prevention is expected to reduce the percentage of cases of mild pneumonia and severe pneumonia. Conclusion. The prevalence of pneumonia from 2007 to 2019 continued to increase and it decreased in 2020. The percentage of male children under 5 raised to 67% and female children 33%. The age range being infected with pneumonia was toddlers aged 4 to 5 years, the most in 2019, and it declined in 2020. The coverage of toddler visits to the community health service center was mostly in Nambo, Abeli, Puatu, and Lepo-Lepo. Okay, this is my presentation of pneumonia coverage surveillance in Kendari City of Indonesia. And I say thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.